Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a custom 10-foot U7 single-axle utility trailer. With a 77-inch wide deck that can be ordered in lengths from 8 foot to 14 foot, the U7 is perfect for the DIYer, landscaper, and the weekend warrior. We started this trailer off with a 2-inch A-frame coupler, and for easy hookups, this U7 is equipped with a 5K pop mount swivel jack that quickly stows away with the pull of a pin. Like all PJ utility trailers, the U7 comes standard with our exclusive ReadyRail system. ReadyRail allows you to easily customize your trailer with simple bolt-on accessories like our trimmer rack adapters, ready rings, and many other ReadyRail accessories. For our running gear, we have a single 3,500-pound Dexter axle optioned out with our black wheel and steel diamond plate fenders, giving us a 2,990-pound GVWR. For peace of mind, we've added a matching spare tire with curbside access in case of an emergency. With many tail options available, this U7 is optioned out with a 4-foot straight deck and a spring-assisted fold-up gate. This gate is secured in place with J-hooks, meaning there are no pins to keep up with. As always, you can check out more information by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.